Geese often get a bad reputation for being aggressive or destructive, but if you're looking for a functional heritage partner for your garden, there's one breed that stands out. Today, I'm sharing why the American buff goose, a calm, steady grazer, might just be one of the most practical choices for a sustainable garden setting. Let's dive into why this breed is a game changer for the homestead. American buffs have a calm and generally manageable temperament, good grazing ability, medium size, not overwhelmingly large, but still substantial, and they're an endangered heritage breed in need of continued support. The American buffs are known for being steady foragers. That doesn't mean they won't sample vegetables, they absolutely can. But with structured access and boundaries, they are capable grazers and weed managers. If I were starting from scratch, the American buff would be a serious contender. If you're interested in more ways to integrate heritage breeds into your garden or homestead, be sure to check out my video on chickens versus geese in the garden. The winner might surprise you. And don't forget to subscribe to join the journey and keep these important breeds thriving. I'll see you in the next one.